But this the regulation of these cycles can be understood from our work. There's a unified dynamic across scale and an organizational principle that unifies all matter and mass energy interactions, a unified physics. So one of the key is understanding the feed-forward feedback dynamics that we've explained that critically involve the Planck plasma, the vacuum energy density, and its coupling with matter. And so, understanding that these supermassive black holes, they're in a substantive medium, a Planck plasma. And so much of the activity of these supermassive black holes is, and what's triggering their feedback to the galaxy is informational input from the galaxy itself through that medium, the Planck plasma medium. So this all strongly suggests that AGN are driving star rate formation, evolution of galaxies. They are the precursor of galaxy formation. This is supported as well from recent observations of supermassive black holes that reside at the edge of the visible universe and hence are some of the oldest structures in the universe, contradicting what was kind of standard cosmology. Black holes come first. During the early epochs of the universe when energy densities were extremely large, they then act as the nucleating centers guiding star and galaxy formation. If astrophysicists had recognized Haramein work early on, there would be no confusion regarding the observations of active galactic nuclei and the importance of AGN feedback on shaping galactic evolution and development. It would be expected that systems obeying the Schwarzschild condition will be found as the organizational nucleus for organized matter, as is clearly delineated in Haramein's scaling law for all organized matter. As well, it would be understood that the most important thing for black hole growth and energy output, the feedback feed-forward dynamics, is the hydrodynamic feedback flow of the underlying medium, i.e., the polarizable Planck field of space-time mass energy information quanta. The linear progression of scale of organized matter in our universe from macro to micro and their apparent coherent relationships supports the structured vacuum hypothesis, leading us to the description of its interaction and constraints on an event horizon topological space-time manifold. Through black hole interactions with their surrounding plasma media, vacuum state polarization occurs and produces observable manifestations such as self-coherent collective behaviors. But in our previous publications, it's described how the hydrodynamic feedback processes coupling with the quantum vacuum structure, polarizable structure, regulates the activity of these black holes, and certainly the supermassive black holes, and hence regulates periods of high AGN feedback activity and quiescence. From observational data and our theoretical analysis, we demonstrate that a scaling law can be written for all organized matter utilizing the Schwarzschild condition, describing cosmological to subatomic structures. Significant observations have led to theoretical and experimental advancements describing systems undergoing gravitational collapse, including vacuum interactions. The universality of this scaling law suggests an underlying polarizable structured vacuum of many white holes, black holes, the micro wormhole network of the unified space memory network. We briefly discussed the manner in which the structured vacuum can be described in terms of resolution of scale analogous to a fractal-like scaling as a means of renormalization at the Planck distance. The way that the vacuum plays a role in regulating the activity of the black holes has been fully delineated in some of our previous work.